This right here is just a another look at my citrus or tropical, whatever you want to call it. This majority of it is citrus though, and tropical plants, and some new additions that I have. I think this is one of my new additions right here. It's my brown select Satsuma. This right here is a Owari select Satsuma. This is my Kimbrough Satsuma. That's my grapefruit down there, ruby red. This is my limes. As y'all see, got a lot of little bitty limes on there. You may hear a noise sound like it's raining, but it's not raining. It's my sprinkler I got going. But yeah, you can see all these little limes forming up on this baby. They all over for the most part. This is my grapefruit here. I got to get transplanted. This right here is my Meyer's lemon. It's got a few on there. Improved Meyer lemon, if I ain't mistaken. Yeah, improved Meyer lemon. This is my banana plants. I think that's that's actually the one I had last year. One of the pups came back from it. I can't remember the name of it. It'll come to me shortly though. This is my where's my tag at for this? That is a I just made a video of it and I don't forgot already. That's my Eureka lemon right here. My Eureka lemon. That is a that's either the Little Prince. That's the Little Prince Dwarf banana plant there. And I think this is the Dwarf banana plant. I had to get the name up. I'm not sure the name up right now. Dwarf Mumasa, something other like that. I get the name up though and repost it. And this right here, this out of control looking shrub right here, is my this is my Barbados cherry bush that I got to get pruned up. I'll probably wait till the fall to prune it up. This right here is my tangerine. No, it ain't my tangerine. It's my Rio grapefruit. You barely can see it because it's Barbados cherry covering it up. This right here is I have to get the name of this too. I want to say it's a grape. This may be my tangerine right here. They got another ruby red grapefruit there. And that is a chorizo. I'm not sure if it's rootstock or not, but I guess we'll find that out shortly. There's some more tropical looking sticky plants. Oh, and here's an update on my Satsumas. This is my brown select Satsuma, and as y'all see, they still hanging on, and they're still growing. So hopefully they can continue to do their thing. I got to get a another stake over here, cause this side over here is about to pop. But that's some more of my Satsumas on there. This right here is my ruby red grapefruit, and I'm sure y'all remember I had one big one down there at the bottom, but it fell off between rain and sun. That baby fell off, about broke my heart, but I'm glad to see I have some more coming on along. Some more ruby red grapefruit, so hopefully I get to taste one day. Hopefully it'll be this year. But this one right here, I just pulled it off. I don't know if it would have made it or not, but it has a little notch in it. These are some more of my limes. I got to get this lime bush staked up.